Voyons spécialement pour cette occasion.
Merci. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to speak to you at the inauguration of the International Conference on the Mountains of Pakistan. My sincere thanks to all the distinguished guests, especially the esteemed panelists from the world of mountaineering, adventure sports and sustainable development for accepting our invitation to participate in this conference. Those of you who have already visited Pakistan must have discovered that how unique and diverse it is in terms of its landscape. From the beaches of Arabian Sea, to the deserts of Thar and Cholistan, to the snow-capped mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan offers a wide range of spectacular topography, which is rarely seen in a single country. The northern region of Pakistan, featuring an array of the highest peaks in the world, has plenty to offer for everyone. It is truly a mecca, attracting hundreds of mountaineers each year from around the world. For adventure sports enthusiasts, the thrill and excitement of skiing at high altitudes, trekking amidst pristine nature, paragliding over the snow-covered peaks and kayaking in the fast-flowing rivers is unparalleled. These unique experiences, along with the warmth and hospitality of the local people, leave a lasting mark on the visitors. Promotion of tourism is a priority area of the new government of Pakistan under Prime Minister Imran Khan. Our tourism policy is holistic. We are focusing on creating modern facilities for the visitors and developing new resorts. At the same time, we would ensure that tourism in Pakistan remains sustainable and eco-friendly, preserving the nature and its resources for the future generations. I take this opportunity to appreciate Pakistan Embassy in Paris for taking this important initiative. I also wish to express my gratitude for UNESCO in extending valuable support for hosting and organizing the conference. I'm sure that the guests would enjoy listening to the panelists about their expeditions and experiences of the mountains of Pakistan. While we look forward to their views and suggestions, we do hope that this event would inspire others as well as to visit and explore Pakistan. I thank you all and wish you an enjoyable event.